Hello and welcome to another tutorial in CATIA V5 R20. So in this lecture we would be explaining how to zoom in feature, how to zoom out, how to drag a particular model, how to rotate a particular model. So I would be just making a simple model, though you do not have to take care of how did I make that particular model, but at just of now you just have to see that how am I rotating, how am I dragging, and how am I moving from one place to another. So just follow. So first of all, what you need to select is start, mechanical design, and part design. So enter any of the part name, so let it be as part 1 and click on OK. So here is now what you got as the workbench. Now if I make any of the models over here, what we get is suppose I'm making any of the models like say any of the circle types. So I made this. So now the point over here is like how am I rotating this particular object, how am I zooming in and zooming out this particular model, how am I dragging this from one place to another. So let us look one by one. So there are two ways. First way is you can use this 3D compass method, and another way is like shortcut method. As a like a formality types, in order to teach you this particular course, I am telling you how to use this compass. So just first of all, in order to drag this particular model, in order to drag this particular washer, what you need to do is first of all take this mouse cursor towards this compass. You will see that a hand shape with a finger has come onto the screen instead of cursor. So just left click onto it, you will see that a grabbing hand would be coming. So just move this by pressing the left key and move right to left or left to right in order to drag in which direction you want to drag. So just move from left to right or right to left in which direction you want to drag. So this is basically known as dragging of this particular model. So this is by using 3D compass. Now what is a shortcut method? While drawing, while making a model, you won't be getting time in order to go over here and just drag, just catch hold of this and just drag. So in order to make it easy, just you are having a mouse, so just on the middle mouse button, you just have to click a middle mouse button and continue pressing to it and just move left or right. So you will see that this model would be dragging. So this is a shortcut for the by using mouse. So this is the way in which you can drag. Now the point over here is like how can you zoom in and zoom out. So in order to zoom in and zoom out, what you need to do is just click the middle mouse button, continue pressing it. Now just once click on right click of the mouse. When you just clicked on right click, just move in and move out, move it and move out. You will see as if the model is zooming in and zooming out, zooming and zooming out. At which particular point you want, just left the middle mouse button. I'll tell you again. So if this is the model, if you want to zoom in and zoom out, what you need to do is just click the middle mouse button, right click once, and then move the cursor up and down, move the cursor up and down. Just have a note that the middle mouse button should be pressed continuously throughout this zooming feature. So this is the case in zoom in and zoom out. Now the point over here comes how to rotate this particular model. So in order to rotate this particular model, what you need to do is just click the middle mouse button, click the right button continuously, that is middle mouse button and right click button continuously. You will see a circle which is coming on onto the screen, imaginary circle, reference circle. Just try to move the mouse in the direction in which you want to rotate the body. So you will see that the model is getting rotated. Even you can see that the 3D compass is also getting rotated in order to make you understand that in which direction the model is rotating. So this was the three things which I needed to tell you, that is rotating a body, second is dragging the body from one place to another, and third is zooming feature, that is zoom in and zoom out. I hope you would have liked this lecture and stay tuned to it.